One man just narrate how kasala meet am for road after him gather money say he wan travel go abroad. But before we go see am, boss don dey back inside Brooklyn. This 39 years old man, wey they call him Gideon Icahn, this man decide say he wan travel go abroad because of say wetin him friends dey live lavish. Say if you see him friends, whenever they come back from Italy and UK, they always look fine and they always look very, very okay. Now there himself come reason am say e be like say to travel go abroad na be the problem. Na be the solution to all in life. So if he reason am say make himself go there, maybe himself go fit make am. Now there this guy come hustle 350K. Carry say he wan go there. Before we go see my people, they don't deport this man, come back. My people beg, make una follow me watch this one.
Because of the challenge of his friends, came back from UK, came back from Italy.
You had some friends who came back from Italy. And they told you what?
They said I should come back, come to Italy. After the guy come to house the cars, the house the building, has everything in our lives. We go, he carry me to clubs. I said, guy, give me money. He said, no, it's drink. If you go, you know how I suffer to get this money. That's why I'm back on this journey. Let me see if God will open my way.
So those your friends that went to Italy and came back, you saw how they were living large.
Yeah. That ties me to know, say, I'm a man, I need to pass it through. The pain that passed through, let me pass it again.
And they told you they went through Libya to Italy?
Yes. After they came back, house a car, have a house, marry. They carry you to club, they don't give you money, they give you drink. Tostigate you until you drink to your level, you don't know what you are doing again. They will carry you back, dump in your house, drive up to the houses.
How many of those friends did you have then?
I have about 6 of them.
You had about 6 of them?
Yeah.
And they told you they went to Italy through Libya?
Yeah.
So they asked you to also suffer through that route?
Yeah. I said, let them send money for me for me to use to plane. They said, no. The risk they take, that is the risk I want to take again.
So those are friends. Now, when you went to Libya and you couldn't make it and you returned to Nigeria, what were they saying? What did they say?
They said, let me try again.
They asked you to try again?
Yeah.
They say you should try to go through Libya
again
to Italy. And have you tried again?
No.
I won't go abroad. Hope say on they see. No be until you travel before you go fit make am. Because some people they no go fit sleep now, so they go up and down saying because of say they want travel, they go do different kinds of things. And as this man no be saying no get work when they do, get legit work when they do. In fact, this man a builder. And every week now this man they hustle, they make money. But every reason I say this money when you know they enough. Say because say in friends don't build house, they get cars, they don't marry. And they did very, very okay. In one reason I say, okay, this one suppose ginger and make himself try, at least travel. But you know, say no be everybody head now be the same. You now you don't travel your own, things no can work out. And he suppose reason and say, this in friends they no mean well for her. Because if he has dentist in friends, say, give me money, make a use and travel, they no go give him. But when it comes to drinking, make they buy and drink, say make this guy drink to stupor. In fact, they very, very okay. They feel buy different types of shayo. Alomo with agbojedi, they go miss everything for him. But give him money now, make him do better thing. They no give. It means say these people never want your success. And for person to tell you, say make you suffer the way they suffer. Say make this man go past Libya, come the place where they go. Say now only that way, now they go feel help him. I beg person will tell you this kind. You suppose not say this kind person. You know even mean well for you. But I hope say this man be like he don't learn his lesson. Because he say if he get that kind of money again, the best way to go do now, he go start his own business. Even you suppose even they very thankful. Say the Libya where you go, say you know that, and as you even come back, say, you still get house where they sleep. Some people go there, they don't even come back again. But at least you go. You still come back, you still get somewhere to stay. And I beg, you sure say your village people self no join hand, they follow you. Because now this same road where your friends follow, more than 6 of your friends pass. They go and they make them. You can't go now, you know come. It be like say your family people, they work on your matter. But I beg, just stay for here. If now money you go see. Use them. If say you don't even use this money, say they expand your old business where you do. By now say if you don't blow. Now because of Ojukoko, things where they enter person eye, you see your friend don't blow. Because of that one, if you can't decide, say you won't come out. I know say Nigeria na mess, na wetin make everybody won't come up. But last, everybody go make am, make we just chill as they hustle our hustle legitimately. My people, I beg. I hear this story, I say make I bring and come, make na service na ear. Hear wetin dey happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, make na don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video.